Hi, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about signs. No smoking. No smoking. No smoking. Information. 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 No parking. No parking. No parking. First aid. First aid. First aid. No mobile phones. No mobile phones. No mobile phones. No entry. No entry. No entry. Wheelchair access. Wheelchair access. Wheelchair access. Fire exit. Fire exit. Fire exit. Recycling. 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 Wet floor. Wet floor. Wet floor. Okay, time for a quiz. Information. Information. First aid. First aid. No parking. No parking. No entry. No entry. Fire exit. Fire exit. Wheelchair access. Wheelchair access. No mobile phones. No mobile phones. How did you do? Okay, that's all for today. Well done, everyone, and see you next time.